Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial, we're going to discuss that how to fix the issue with your iPhone if your iPhone isn't able to catch the cellular signal. So let's suppose you live in a region where there is cellular signal, but somehow and for some reason your iPhone isn't catching one, and it basically is showing the loading signal up there, and once it's done searching for it, it says no service. So basically how to get over it, how to fix that issue without using any third-party applications. First of all, if there is no hardware fault, then it will be fixed. If there is something to do with the hardware, then it won't be fixed with this trick. So basically we're going to use two tricks to fix this issue. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to press and hold the power key and the volume up key together. So if you do that, what's going to happen is basically it's going to start loading, and there is going to a window is going to pop up in front of you. It's going to tell you to call a medical ID or emergency call, and also power off. So basically this is for the SOS key, right? So what's going to happen is as soon as you do that, your phone is going to search for services again. You will see that your phone is will start to search for services, and it will try to catch services because this is for the emergency purpose key. So this is one way to force your phone to catch the signal if it's not able to. So this is the first way. And the second way is if this doesn't work for you, now what you need to do is you need to go to the phone setting, right? You would need to go to your phone setting, and what's basically going to happen is when you go to your phone setting, you're going to go and tap on general, right? You're going to click on general, and after that slide down and then go to transfer or reset iPhone. Once you click on that, now what's going to happen is you're going to click on reset, and then a window will pop up. Now what you got to do in this pop-up window is select the reset network setting. So basically sometimes your phone's setting is messed up, and that's why your phone isn't able to basically catch the signal, right? So if you reset this signal, the network setting, then you might be able to get over the cellular issue that your iPhone isn't able to catch the cellular network. So this is another way of fixing this issue. The third way is kind of a hard way. You would need to give it a lot of try to pull this one off. What you need to do is you need to press the volume down key first, and after that what you need to do is you need to press the volume up key, and after that you need to hold on to the power key. So this is basically the combination. What you need to do is you need to press the volume down key first, and then after the volume up key, and after that what you need to do is you need to hold on to the power key. And what's going to happen is basically this window is going to pop up, and this is going to ask you for your PIN. And if you enter your PIN, after that your phone will restart, and after restarting your phone will come up and start loading on the Apple logo, and once the loading is done, you will hopefully get your network issue fixed. So these are the 3 steps through which you can basically get over the problem of your phone not able to catch cellular network in the region where there is cellular network, but it's not able to catch it. You can fix it through these steps, and if these steps aren't working, then you need to make sure there is no hardware related problem, because sometimes there are hardware related problems and these tricks won't help you. So yeah, that's pretty much it from this video. If you have any question regarding this, feel free to drop it down in the comment section below, and yeah, subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.